Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video we're going to talk about polynomial regression, or let's say order 2. This is also known as second degree polynomial regression. When a linear regression, which is the order 1, fails to capture the curvature or inflection in the data, a second order polynomial can fit the data better while maintaining interpretability. This is why sometimes we prefer to have polynomial regression. So in this video we are going to first of all learn how to plot it and how to understand it. First of all, we're going to import the necessary libraries like Seaborn, Matplotlib, Pandas, and NumPy. Then here we are having our data generation. We are going to have feature 1 and feature 2 to be generated using the normal distribution, but for the feature 2 we are having a different mean and a scale. Okay, and here we would like to create our data frame. So because of that, we call the data frame function from the Pandas library, and we are going to create our data frame, and the data frame name is data. Then for better visualization, we set the style to be white grid. So you see that we are having a white grid. Then we choose the size of our figure. So we would like to have a figure that is 8 by 6 inches. And finally, we call the reg plot, let's say regression plot, but the function name is reg plot. We are going to call the reg plot from the Seaborn library. Here we are labeling the x and y axes. So the x-axis equals feature 1 and y-axis equals feature 2. So x-axis feature 1, y-axis feature 2. Then we are having the data of the reg plot to be equal to the data that we created here. This is the data frame called data. The right one is the data frame called data that we created above. The left data, the left hand side data, let's say, is the function from the reg plot. Okay, and then we assign order to be equal to 2, so the compiler knows that we are talking about the polynomial regression and not the order 1 regression. Then we set the title, which is polynomial regression order 2, and we use the show function to display our figure. So let me zoom out a little bit. When I zoom out a little bit, we see that the figure presents a polynomial regression order 2 analyzed between two features, so feature 1 on the x-axis and feature 2 on the y-axis. So first of all, the scatter plot we see here displays the raw data points showing a somewhat dispersed relationship between two variables. Okay, then we are having the regression curve, the blue line you see here. A second degree polynomial fit line is plotted here, showing a slight inverted U-shaped trend. You see, this is the inverted U-shaped trend. This indicates a non-linear relationship. For example, as feature 1, this is the feature 1. As feature 1 increases, initially feature 2 increases slightly, then decreases. This is the form of a U-shape. Okay, and then we are having the confidence interval, the shaded area. You see here the shaded area. That represents the uncertainty around the regression line. It's wider at the edges. You see, it's wider at the edges as compared to the center of the line. So it's wider at the edges where data points are sparser, indicating less confidence in the model's prediction in these regions. Okay, so in this video, first of all, we learned why do we need polynomial regression. We mentioned that when the linear regression, or let's say order 1, fails to capture the inflection of the data, we are going to plot the polynomial regression order. Then we learned how to plot this order 2 simply in the regplot function from the Seaborn library. We assign order to be equal to 2. Then we learned how to understand this figure. Thank you for watching.